In our business, we cherish the feedback we get from our customers. So when we receive great reviews, we just have to share it. They were so excited about the great customer service they received, they went online and left this review. Here's what one of them had to say. In short, we work extremely hard to provide the best customer service to our customers. And this review shows we are doing a great job. We're very proud of this. So if you're seeking a company that's focused on customer satisfaction and high-quality service, we are your choice. We're confident that you'll walk away as a very satisfied customer. We appreciate you taking the time to drop in on us today. You can contact us anytime at the number on your screen. We hope to see you soon.